Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be a 80,000 rupees PC build and this is for video editing. You can also stream games and of course gaming. So let me take you through all the component detail, their pricing, what all component I'm gonna use in this build, which is for 80k, and all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. So do check the link in the description box for the latest price, because the prices which I'm gonna tell you in this video would be today's price. So do consider checking those links. So let's just go ahead and begin with the component which we're gonna use in this build, and then we'll assemble the PC. So let's begin with the PC components. For the cabinet, we have got Cooler Master MB511 RGB. This is a really nice case, comes with side tempered glass, front RGB 3 fans and a rear non-RGB 1 fan. It does have front mesh panel which really gives you good airflow. The price is 6,200 rupees. For processor, we have got Ryzen 7 3700X. This is 3rd generation processor and comes with 8 core 16 thread. It is a very good processor for gaming, streaming and video editing. The price is 29,300 rupees. For motherboard, we have got MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. It comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth available for 12,600 rupees. If in case you have extra budget, you can definitely consider X570 motherboards. For graphic card, we have got Gigabyte GTX 1660 Ti. This is available for 22,999 rupees. For power supply, we have got Entech VP650P Plus. This is a white certified power supply, 650 watt, available for 4,000 rupees. This will do the job perfectly well. And for RAM, we have got G-Skill Ripjaws V. This is 3000 MHz, 8x2, total 16 gigs of memory. The price is 6,400. Make sure to keep 16 GB memory at least for video editing PC. For SSD, we have got Kingston A400 480 GB SSD. This is available for 4,200 rupees. For more storage, we have got Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. This is available for 4,250 rupees. Alright, so that was all about the PC components and their pricing. So let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. Again, these prices are for today's, and to check the latest price, the links are given in the description box below, our website and Amazon both. So yeah, you can just go ahead and compare the prices. So let's begin with the PC build. There is one good part about Entech power supply, that the power cable is Indian version. The CPU fan comes with pre-applied thermal paste, you don't have to add it additionally.
Tonight is a good time to live your life. Feeling free? Okay, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Alright, so we're done with the PC build. We have not used any aftermarket cooler or a liquid cooler because we're not gonna overclock the CPU, and 16 GB RAM is more than enough for streaming or even video editing in Premiere Pro, that to 1080p. But if in case you want to do 4K editing, make sure you should have 32 gigs of memory. About the SSD, we have used a high 480 GB SSD, that's more GB as per the customer need. If in case you want to change it to 240, it's all up to you. About the cabinet, we have selected RGB cabinet because the RGB cabinet comes with 3 pre-installed fan in the front and 1 pre-installed fan in the rear, and that too front mesh. Now if in case you buy a cabinet for 3000 rupees and you add 4 fans or 3 fans, that's gonna cost you more. So it's a smart move to get a cabinet with pre-installed fans included. That would cost you cheaper. Also you'll get a premium cabinet for the same price, as the entire front is mesh, airflow is awesome. You can also put a 240mm liquid cooler into it. Definitely that is a great option. Also this cabinet comes with side tempered glass. About the power supply, we have selected white series power supply for 4000 rupees. If you have more budget, you can go ahead with bronze. And of course the Entech power supply comes with an Indian pin. Corsair and Cooler Master, you have to buy additional power cable from the market because the pin is certainly different what we have in the Indian electric boats. So yeah, that's about the PC build. Let me show you the Geekbench and Cinebench test here. Alright, so that was a quick benchmark test from Geekbench and Cinebench R20. So yeah, that's pretty much nice. The processor is performing absolutely fine, and the total budget for the PC is 90,000. So that's about the video. I hope you have liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. And do follow us on Instagram for latest update about our channel. Also all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Do follow the link in the description box because the prices which I've mentioned in this video would be today's price. So if in future the prices goes up or down, the links are given there. Amazon and our website, both the links are there. You can certainly consider any of the link to check the prices. Of course our website would have better price than Amazon. Once again, thank you for watching the video till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.